Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lock Macbook after screen off immediately. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Setting a password lock on a Mac can prevent unauthorized access while you're away from the computer. Once you enable the security feature, the computer automatically locks after you close it. So how to do it? You can just open your system preferences. Now you can go to security and privacy. Click on here's on the general section. There is an option. You can click on the required password first. After that, required password after, you can change to immediately. And you can confirm your Macbook password. So after sleep or screen saver begins on your MacBook will require password if you want to use the MacBook again. It's a simple right. So that is how to lock MacBook immediately after screen off. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!